Hi all, welcome to Odoo 16 development tutorials. In this video, let's check how to configure a project in Pycharm. The implementation of ERP is a critical process. Here, configuration means enabling the features of the ERP in such a way that will help the operator. So for that, let's go to the Pycharm. So in the Pycharm, let's check how can we configure a project. So go to the file and then add new project, and then here we can choose the location, and then I'm just choose the location of my home Cybrosys folder under the Pycharm projects as a Python project 1. That means I'm giving its name as a Python project 1, and then we can choose its environment using as either virtual environment, pip environment, poetry or content environment. So I'm just choose as virtual environment, and then its location. So it is virtual environment and I am using its location as VNV. And then we can choose its interpreter. Default I am using the interpreter as Python 3.8, and then let's create a project. So a new project is configured on the Pycharm. Likewise, we can configure the Odoo project also. So already in my Pycharm I already configured the Odoo project, and then inside this Odoo project they have files like its GitHub, add-ons, and then the custom add-ons that I have created, and then its doc, Odoo, setup, and then its conf file, Odoo bin, etc. And then in this conf file, I added its admin password and then DB host. That means on the PostgreSQL, it's DB host as localhost, and then its DB port on the PostgreSQL as 5432, and then a DB user. For this Odoo 16, I am created a user of Odoo 16. And then its password that I am entered on the PostgreSQL as cool. And then in the add-ons path, I added the path location of default Odoo add-ons and also my custom add-ons, that is my custom modules. And then its XMLRPC port as 8016. And then on this run and debug configuration, here we can add the configuration as like its script path. That means here we are configuring the Odoo 16, and then I added the script path as under Odoo 16 as Odoo bin, and then parameter as -c odoo.conf file, and then the interpreter as Python 3.8 interpreter, and then okay. Then let's run the Odoo 16 conf. Then let's add the XMLRPC port that we have entered on the Odoo conf as 8016, and then it redirects to the Odoo 16 database manager. And then here I already created two databases, and from here let's create a database, and then I just added the master password that I entered, that is its admin password, and then a DB name as Odoo 16 community edition, and then we can enter a email and password, and then a country, and then if we need to load the demo data, we can enable this boolean field and its demo data get loaded, and then continue. And the corresponding database that I created, Odoo 16CE, will be getted here, and then I am logging using the password that I entered, email and password, and then it's login. So the Odoo 16 that I configured in my Pycharm will be login at here. Likewise, we can configure a project in the Pycharm, and also Odoo can be configured like this.